I'm fixing it, I'm filming it. Well, good morning folks. We have a dishwasher to replace. This one went haywire and we have a new one. So this should be pretty simple. Replace that with that. But first things first, let's turn the water off. Hopefully you have one of those, but it's nice to have. It's a shut off for going right to the dishwasher. That way you don't have to turn off the water in your house. But if you have to, go downstairs, turn your water off, make sure it's off. Okay, and then we're going to have to take this bottom part off, usually on most. And there we go. Look at all the dust bunnies. Next thing we have to do is disconnect the power. So let's go find it on the fuse panel. Right here. So this is hardwired in. There's your line from your house coming into the box. So before we take this box off, we better find the main fuse and power it off.
Kitchen dishwasher number 19. Number 19 is right here.
Okay. I'll close the fuse panel. Okay. Oh, we got a kitty cat investigating my job. Uh-oh. Okay, let's get this box out. We got the power off. Okay, it's been confirmed that it's off. Looks like we got that screw, 1/4 inch screw. Pull it out. There. Okay. So it's simple, white to white, black to black. Get a towel underneath it, catch any drips. Loosen it off slowly. Now, let's get the drain. Yes, it is. So, to get your dishwasher out, sometimes there'll be a couple of screws up here. In this case, they were behind that cover. So you had to take off a cover and take out a screw. Likewise on the other side too. So now it's ready to pull out. Well, let's see if we can pull it out here. See how far we can pull it out. No, Carl, no. Hitting on this side right here. Okay. So far, so good. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Yeah. Okay, let's unbox this. We got a knife.
There's a nice hole in it.
Okay. So the new dishwasher has a really long drain, and it actually connects here. So we have to take this off. Simple hose clamp, and we'll get that off. That's a little easier. Put the dishwasher on its side. That way we can get things nice and tight here. Nice. I don't have to put music in my... I'll just copy her noise. Is that royalty free? So maybe I'll go like this. This is ground, your neutral, and then your load.
Okay, so
Okay, let's get the electrical put in here.
it shocked me after the power was off. Okay. Much better.
Okay.
So I need a little more.
Okay. So you need 2 there, 3 here. We want to be confirmed that. 1, 2, 3, right?
You're 3, I'm 2.
One shot.
Yeah, not bad actually. Okay.
Now we're just adjusting it, give it some height.
Okay, keep coming. Keep coming.
So I'm going to get the homeowner to drill in his own cabinets. That way if he goes all the way through it. So that's one mount right there. Okay, so we're loop it up around to the, and we got to use this adapter. We got the drain back on. Now let's get the water line hooked up. I'm going to put some Teflon tape on it and then we'll connect it. Okay, line connected. Let's get ready to test it. Okay, well, check for leaks, your drain, your intake, make sure everything's good, run a cycle, don't leave the house right away, you don't know if it's going to leak on you. Watch it for a few cycles before you trust it, and there you go. Good luck with your replacement.